I want to give y'all a 3-day look on how Fort Myers is going to turn out in the next. Today is October 9th, 2024. And currently I'm riding through Fort Myers, heading to Edison Mall. I'm heading to Bravo to get some food, but currently I work here, so I want to vlog basically the hurricane that they claim is gonna go in this city. So we're just taking it day by day. Yesterday was a calm day, chill day. Now I'm just recording what I see as of now. Guys, I get paid extra to do this work, so I took the offer, and I know God got my back at the end of the day. So spiritually, I'm connected, and I know I'm good. So I gotta prepare myself for what's coming. So I gotta get a whole bunch of food for at least 2 weeks. Oh, they got an Aldi right here. But I wonder, the Aldi not even open, huh? It's not open. So I gotta keep driving up. Nothing is open, guys. Nothing. So I can tell, nothing is open. So I'm gonna pick up on y'all when I get to the grocery store. And I'm gonna pick out what food I get, and then we're gonna keep the vlog going. Document my life of being in Fort Myers during the hurricane. So as of now, as y'all can tell, it's heavy clouds, no rain. Just a dense, dark weather that's going on right now. Covered by bodies of ocean. So appreciate y'all for watching. I'm gonna head out. Peace. So we back, you know what I'm saying? We at the grocery store, Bravo. We're gonna figure out what we gonna get. Right now, currently, I just picked up these 2 little drinks. I might grab one more. These is cheap. Passion fruit. And we got some. Another $15 for these protein powder. Protein shakes. It's crazy. Yeah, some baddies in here too, but same time and moment for that shit. We got some regular drinks. See on phone, we got regular drinks right here. I don't want refrigerated drinks, so that's the thing. I would let me get one of these real quick though. Cause you don't really gotta. Let me get one of them. Getting a lot of juice. After this, remember this gotta last me a little minute. They got fruit in here too. Gotta get the fruit. Can't go out the fruit. I'm gonna flip the camera real quick so y'all can see what the hell I'm buying. Yeah, I gotta really lock in for what I'm gonna buy. I know I want potatoes, fruit. Yeah, so we got some grapes. Definitely gotta get some grapes on the grill. What else? Gotta get some potatoes for sure. Potatoes and corn. How much is this potato? This is the big potato for $4. So I'm gonna get this. You know what I'm saying? Potatoes is quick and easy. Take it, you know what I'm saying? Good milk, potassium, all that. Making it quick. But we need everything. So definitely need some fish. Tilapia is not bad. go with this guy right here. Frozen meat though. This little bag and shit though. I need like 2 of these. Get like 2 of those. What is that? Oh my, that shit was good. So 2 bags, $6 each, right? Potatoes, potato, fish, grapes, juice. Get on the good stuff. I want some salmon too, but I can't be picky on what I get. We got some chicken too. We got some chicken breast. That's some chicken tenders. Chicken wings and chicken breast. I see whole chicken wings. It's good right here. Shit. It's a whole bunch of chicken right here though. I ain't gonna cap. A whole chicken cut up. So I might as well get that bit. Whole chicken cut up, $7. What? Get some beef. Let me get one more chicken. So we got tilapia chicken. The chicken breast. I don't see no chicken breast, but fuck that shit out. I might just get the damn chicken tenders. Oh, this chicken breast right here. This got more protein than the average chicken. You feel me? So you grab this. I'm gonna go with the cheapest price. This one, the cheapest right here, at $8. Shit. I'm gonna have to put back these little juices, but I need real and straight real food. We're gonna go to the steak. Widen that right quick. So to go with the steak, you know, you can't go wrong with ground beef. That's first off. Feel me? You gotta get some. You gotta get some sirloin for sure. The sirloin, I don't like that shit no more. I ate that shit one time. It's like shoulder food steak. I don't know what's the best steak in here though. I'm not really a beef lover. But we're gonna get some. I just know the ground beef, I know how to cook ground beef easy. Look at this ground beef, $8 for this, all this ground beef, you goddamn right. So we got chicken breast, fish, beef, nigga. Now we gotta get some rice. Bacon. No bacon, right? No bacon, y'all. So I want some chickens. I might just get some shrimp. Fuck, man. This like some good beef right here. This little $10 beef right here. Beef ribs. I ain't never heard of that shit, but it look too tough. I want some shit you could cook up quick and easy. I don't be doing that, taking that time right now. I ain't no chef. So what I'm gonna get is bottom round steak right here. Damn, bro. I'm gonna just get the sirloin steak, man. Fuck it. We gonna get this shit. Boom. So we got 4 meats. 6 meats right here. That should be enough beef and meat. I don't eat pork, so gonna head on to the canned food. I don't know where the canned food at. I'm about to flip the camera though real quick for y'all, real quick. They got salmon though, they got. Hold on, y'all, hold on. Y'all, this stuff got a whole bunch of shit. I got some jerk seasoning. I'm gonna put back these juices and get. So we got. I'm probably gonna keep like 2 of them. Put back these 2 juices. I got some all-purpose seasoning, some jerk seasoning, some corn, just beans. You know how I fuck with beans, rice, and I got the chicken and I got oatmeal, but I don't know about oatmeal. I don't want to buy too much shit, man. $100 is optimal for a week, you know? I ain't trying to live. Buy too much shit and I got too much. So the plan basically is I need to get some sides, some food for the side. You know what I'm saying? It's about the Mexican. I want some tacos. I don't know what tacos. That's the thing, I ain't buying no junk food either. No junk food, straight real food. You feel me? So I definitely need cheese. Cheap cheese. Where the cheap cheese at? Eggs be coming in candy, but I don't even like eggs right now. Some cheese and smack though. Cheese and some of these bitches. Some cinnamon rolls. They should be smacking. As soon as I get to the bread, I'm cooking. So I'm gonna get some $3 cheese right here. Smart cheddar. Fuck, drop that. Some breakfast, some turkey, So that's breakfast, cheese. One more thing. Gotta find some tacos, man. Tacos with smack. You always need butter though. Don't get that twisted. You might get spray butter though. It waxing for butter, bro. $4, you got me fucked up. $2 butter? No, that's not even butter. Oh, this $2 right here. Perfect. Got some butter now, you feel me? So. Sir, you know where the taco shell's at?
Say it again?
Tacos. Y'all got some? Y'all got tacos in here?
No.
Some Old Bay. This good for like anything. And I want some garlic powders for sure. Gotta get some garlic powder. I think that's it. That's all I need. Potato, corn. I need corn also. Fuck. Shit. Chicken, fish, beef, ground beef, beans, cheese, seasoning, potato, rice. Fuck, all this fucking shit, yo. I'm gonna need everything though. Probably get some cookies. I need some type of dessert to go with this shit. You know what I'm saying? Pasta should be easy to make. You feel me? So this pasta only $2. Mushroom sauce. I don't give a fuck what sauce it is. This shit gonna help. Fuck it. So now I'm finna get some goddamn pasta for the low. You feel me? Some cheap pasta. And I'm gonna call it, that's it for the day. Take it day by day. Shell pasta right here, and that's it. Alright, y'all, we finna cash out. We got all this food right here. We got the meats. Put this all on there. So let's get it started. Some vegetables. Some pasta. Some more vegetables, potatoes. Seasoning. Seasoning. I know I need that seasoning. Some tacos. Some rice. Some cheese. I'm gonna put this inside. Butter. Juice. Sauce. My goal is to spend $100 in this day. So we gonna see. It's a lot of food. How your day going? Doing good? Y'all don't know how long y'all gonna be open?
Rumor has it till 3 o'clock.
Oh, okay. Today might be the last day though. Yeah. Receipt right here. I mean,
No. That's my weight.
Oh, okay. Looking at 80 right now. 94. Might go a little bit over 100, but it's not bad for all that food. It's gonna last me all week. Can we put back those two juice, a little carton juice right there?
What about it?
Can you take that off, please? Can't take it off?
The apple?
Yeah. So 116 for that full amount. Y'all see that?
116.24.
I appreciate you. Alright, y'all, we on our way back to the crib, October 9th, like I said. It's currently 10 o'clock in the morning, 10:14 in the morning. I'm gonna go home, cook me some food, cook me some breakfast and lunch and dinner. And then, fuck, I forgot to clean, I gotta get something to clean my chicken. So I got one more stop and I'm going to the crib, cause there ain't no gas out right now. And we get free money, we get free gas money, so ain't no gas to even fill up your tank. Shit crazy. So what we gonna do is go to the brib. I'm finna buy some shit to clean my meat, like some lemon juice or some shit, cause I can't be eating no raw, unclean food. I clean my shit. So other than that, y'all, we bought the food. I'm just broadcasting the weather, you feel me? I'm gonna turn the camera up. So yeah, y'all, we just broadcasting the weather, you dig what I'm saying? Taking it day by day. Nigga got the food, back to the crib. Like I said, man, I'm here to work. I get paid. Everything's included, food money, gas money, all that shit. Extra pay. Rent too, all that, man. So what I would have made in 3 to 4 weeks is what I made in basically 1 week. Okay, so yeah, I get what I'm saying. Took the opportunity. This month is my birthday, so I'm getting paid all this money back. You dig what I'm saying? Free food. You dig? You can't beat that. You can't beat that. And I need to gain some muscle. So y'all know I don't smoke or drink. You feel me? Y'all see I'm glowing like a motherfucker, but I don't smoke or drink. So whenever I'm eating, you know what I'm saying? That's what bring me happiness. Make me get bigger. I'll be hungry 24/7 because I'm trying to. My body is gaining the muscle mass, you know. And if I was a trend, like if I was taking testosterone and shit, I would definitely be way bigger than I am right now. But man, the Wawa closed. Is it closed? Let me check. This is where I gotta go. So yeah, y'all. Right now, I gotta go home and meditate. And first off, I'm gonna meditate. I don't know. I'm gonna cook. Then I'm gonna clean my chicken. Let that shit sit in the oven or whatever. Then I'm gonna meditate. You feel me? Gotta meditate. And then I'm gonna eat and then probably just chill for the rest of the day till I get up. I go to work later. I work 12-hour shifts, so make sure I get my little rest, lay down in my bed. You feel me?
Yeah, you can